Hi students, now we solve question number 4. What is question 4? Here verify that A into BC is equal to AB into C, which is called as an associative law, and we know that matrix multiplication is also associate. In exam we have to ask this type of question for 3 marks. Verify the following: A into BC is equal to AB into C if we have given 3 matrices A, B and C. So first look at what we have to prove, that is A into BC is equal to AB into C. So first take LHS. What is LHS here? A into BC, and always solve the bracket first. Therefore first we take B into product of BC. So first check whether product of BC exists or not. So number of columns of B are 2 and number of rows of C are 2. Therefore product of BC exists. Take matrix B: 2 minus 2 minus 1 1 0 3, and C is what? 3 2 minus 1 2 0 minus 2. This is a matrix of order 3 by 2 and this is a matrix of order 2 by 3. Therefore the matrix, new matrix obtained from this BC is a matrix of order 3 by 3. So take the product: first row, first column. 2 into 3, 6. Minus 2 into 2, that is minus 4. Now first row, second column. 2 into 2, 4. Minus 2 into 0, 0. Next third column. 2 into minus 1, minus 2, and minus 2 plus 2. Next second row, first column. Minus 1 into 3, minus 3. Plus 2 into 1, 2. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2 plus 0. Minus 1 into minus 1, 1. Minus 2. Next third row, first column. 0 into 3, 0. 3 into 2, 6. 0 into 2, 0. And 3 into 0, 0. 0 into minus 1, 0. 3 into minus 2, minus 6. Therefore 6 minus 4, 2. 4 plus 0, 4. Minus 2 plus 0. Minus 3 plus 2, minus 1. Here minus 2 and 1 minus 2 is minus 1. 6, 0 and minus 6. This is a matrix BC. Therefore we have to A into BC. Therefore write here A into BC. Multiply the matrix BC by A from left side. So first write A. What is matrix A? 1 0 1 2 3 0 0 4 5. And from right side matrix BC. What is this? 2 4 0. Next minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 6 0 minus 6. 6 0 minus 6 is equal to. Now take product of these two matrices. Take first row and first column. 1 into 2, 2. Plus 0 into minus 1, 0. 1 into 6, 6. Take first row, second column. 1 into 4, 4. 0 na? 0. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 0, 0. 0 minus 1, 0. And minus 6. Now second row, first column. 2 into 2, 4. Minus 3 plus 0. Next 2 into 4, 8. 3 2 minus 6 plus 0. 2 into 0, 0. 3 into minus 1 minus 3 plus 0. Next 0 into 2, 0. 4 into minus 1 minus 4. 5 into 3, 30. 0 into 4 again, 0. 4 into minus 2 minus 8. And 5 into 0, it is 0. 0 into 0, 0. 4 into minus 1 minus 4. And here minus 30. So write 2 plus 6, 8. 4 minus 0 here, 4. Minus 6. 4 minus 3, 1. 8 minus 6, 2. And 0 minus 3, minus 3. Minus 4 plus 30, that is 26. Here minus 8. And minus 4 minus 34. So this is our left hand side. A into BC, say equation number 1. So if we solve LHS, then give equation number 8, 4 minus 4, 1, 2 minus 26 minus 8 and here plus 1. Look at this. 2 into 0, 2 into next, and 3 into minus 3 and plus 0 into 6. Into 0, that is 0, and 3 into minus 1 minus 3. Next, find RHS. So what is RHS? Matrix multiplication is very easy, but we have to do multiplication very carefully. Now RHS. RHS is equal to AB into C. So first we have to take product of AB. So first write AB. 1 0 1 2 3 0 0 4 5. Next B 2 minus 2 minus 1 1 and 0 3. This is a matrix of order 3 by 3 and which is a matrix of order 3 by 2. So column and rows are same. First row, first column. 1 into 2, 2. 0 into minus 1, 0. 1 into 0, 0. Next, 1 into minus 2, minus 2. 0 into 1, 0. 1 into 3, 3. 2 into 2, 4. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. 0 into 0, 0. 2 into minus 2, minus 4. 3 into 1, 3. 0 into 3, 0. 0 into 2, 0. 4 into minus 1, minus 4. 5 into 0 it is 0. Next 0 into minus 2, 0. 4 into 1, 4. And 5 into 3, 50. So is equal to matrix 2 minus 2 plus 3 1. 4 minus 3 1. Minus 4 plus 3 minus 1. Minus 4 and 15 plus 4 that is 19, which is a matrix of order 3 by 2. Column and rows merge होतात, order मिळाली आपल्याला 3 by 2, which is a matrix order 3 by 2, that is matrix AB. 2 minus 2 minus 1. This is a matrix AB. 2 1 1 minus 1 minus 4 and 19. Now take product AB into C. So write AB 2 1 1 minus 1 minus 4 and 19. Now multiply the matrix C. 3 2 minus 1 2 0 minus 2. Write product here. Now this is a matrix of 3 by 2 and this is a matrix of 2 by 3. Therefore the new matrix form from this is order 3 by 3. Take multiplication. 2 into 3, 6 plus 1 into 2, 2. First row, first one. Now 2 into 2, 4. 1 into 0, 0. 2 into minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus 2. Again first row, second column. 1 into 3, 3. Minus 2. Next 2, 1 into 2, 2 plus 0. 1 into minus 1, minus 1, minus minus plus 2. Minus 4 into 3, minus 12. Plus 19 into 2, 38. Next minus 4 into 2, minus 8 plus 0. Minus minus plus 4 and minus 38. So right here AB into C is equal to, so 6 plus 2 is 8. 4 plus 0, 4. Minus 2, check here. 2, 1, that is 2 into minus 1 and here minus 2. What is value of the matrix? Here minus 4. Next 3 minus 2 is 1. 2 plus 0, 2. Next minus 1 plus 2. Here minus sign. So minus 1 and minus minus plus 2. So write here 1. Next minus 2 plus 38, that is 38. That means here we get 36. And here minus 8 plus 0 means minus 8. And 4 minus 38, that is minus 30. So check which value. A, B into C, that is 2, 1, 1 minus 1, that is correct, and minus 4, 19. A into BC, value of A into BC is 8, 4 minus 6. So here, so check this value of matrices, that is here 0, 4, 5. So first value 0 into 2, that is 0, 4 into minus 1, minus 4, and here 5 plus 6, so it is 30, that is it is 26 here. So we have to check this value here. What is this value? Minus 4 and 19, which is again correct. So AB into C, minus 4 into 3 minus 12, and here 19 plus 2, 19 into 2, 38. So here we get, minus 2 here we get 26, not 30. Minus 12 here, not 2. I will take 2 here. So minus 12 plus 38, that is 26. Now which value is incorrect here? 1, 2. So check this value again. 1 into 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. And 1 into minus 6. So here, which value? Here we want minus 4. So how it comes minus 4? It is minus 6 here. 6, 0 minus 6, it is correct. Minus 1, minus 2 and minus 1. Value of BC. It is not 0, it is 2 here. Sorry, my mistake. 2, 4, 2 and minus 1, 6. So here we get 1 into 2, that is 2, and so 2 minus 6, it is minus 4 here. So again 2 into 2, 4, and 4 minus 3, it is 1. So 2 into 2, 4. 4 minus 3. So 4 minus 3 become 1. Now this is correct. So it is my mistake. So here I write 2. This becomes 1. So this answer will get wrong. Now look at these two matrices are same. Therefore from 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS. पहा, एक जरी तुमची व्हॅल्यू चुकली तरी आपला मल्टिप्लिकेशन हे पूर्ण चुकतंय. सो व्हेरी केअरफुली you have to take the calculation. Therefore here we write A into BC is equal to AB into C. So here we prove the matrix multiplication is associative. Now what is question number 5th here? Question 5. Verify that A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC if A is equal to 4 minus 2 to B. B is equal to minus 1 1 3 minus 2. C is equal to 4 1 2 minus. Signs, check signs carefully. 4 minus 2 2 3 minus 1 1 3 minus 2 4 1 2 minus 1. So we have to prove this. Take LHS also. plus C. First take B plus C. Therefore B plus C. Take addition of BC. Minus 1, 1. 3 minus 2. 4, 1. 2 minus 1. For addition, add corresponding elements. Minus 1 plus 4, that is 3. 4 minus 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 3 plus 2, 5. 2 minus 2. Minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 5. It is B plus C. Therefore, multiply the matrix A from left side, which is very important, right or left. So, write A 4 minus 2, 2, 3 into B plus C is 3, 2, 5 minus 5. 4 into, take multiplication. 4 into 3, 12. Minus 2 into 5, minus 10. Next, 4 into 2, 8. Minus, minus, plus 10. Now, second row, first column. 2 into 3, 6. 3 into 5, 15. Next, 2 into 2, 4. And 3 into 5, minus 15. So, what is value? 12 minus 10, 2. 8 plus 10, 18. 15 plus 6, 21. And minus 11. Equation number 1. If you solve, then give equation number A into B plus C. That is our LHS. Now solve RHS. RHS is equal to AB plus AC. So first take product AB. AB is equal to, what is AB? 4 minus 2, 2, 3. And B is minus 1, 1, 3 minus 2. 4 into minus 1, minus 4. Minus 2 into 3, minus 6. 4 into 1, 4. Minus, minus, plus 4. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. 3 into 3, 9. 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 3, minus 6. So AB is equal to minus 10. 4 plus 4, 8. 7. And here, that is AB. Now find AC. 4 minus 2, 2, 3. What is C? 4, 1, 2 minus 1. 4 into 4, 16. Minus 2 into 2, 4. Next, 4 into 1, 4. Minus 2 plus 1, that is plus 2. 2 into 4, 8. Plus 3 into 2, 6. 2 into 1, 2. Minus 3. Which is equal to 16 minus 4, that is 12. 4 plus 2, 6. 8 plus 6, 14. And it is minus 1. Now to take addition. Therefore, AB plus AC. What is AB? Minus 10, 8. 7 minus 4 plus. What is AC? 12, 6, 14 minus 1. Now adding corresponding elements. Minus 10 plus 12, that is 2. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 7, 21. Minus 1 minus 4, that is minus 5. Here I take addition wrong. So here minus 2 minus 1. I write here minus 4. But instead of this we write minus 3. So here it becomes 3, 2. This value is incorrect. We take minus 2 minus 1. I take here minus 5. But this is minus 3. So here we get now 4 2s are 8 and minus minus plus 6. That is 8 plus 6. And here next step is what? 2 into 2, that is 4, and 3 is minus 9. So these values are changes. 8 plus 4, 6 is 40, and 4 minus 9 is 5. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. There is no problem. Here our addition is wrong. So from 1 and 2, A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. Therefore, we prove LHS is equal to RHS. You should try to solve the question number. Next question, that is Question number 6. AB. First show that AB is singular matrix. So first find product AB. And how to show the singular matrix? So take its determinant. So if it is 0, then we say it is singular. And if it is non-zero, then say it is non-singular. So for matrix multiplication, we have to check the values or the sign very carefully. You should try to solve our example number 6.